sitting here. I know I'm multitasking right now at its finest. You guys can probably realize that. Hey, shivers. Hey, dum-dum. Watch out. We got a box in the mail. This is not anything to do with dogs. I promise. It's not anything to do with a dog. Well, Callie was sitting on it on the front porch. Okay. Receipt. Thank you very much. You never, I keep these, but I never add them up. Garbage. Stickers. Dang. Look at that. They've gotten smaller on the stickers. They used to have a bunch of, now it's just cost savings. All right. Wow. Speed Pro. Pro Comp. Holy shit, this thing's heavy. All right. Damn. This dude's heavy. What do I do with my razor blade? There it is. Well, I guess we're going to use it. Son of a gun. That's got all the weight right there. All right, what do we got here? It is a tapered. It's a 4-hole tapered 2-inch spacer. Whew. You know, we're going to see how this. I mean, I know, right? I'm not sure how overall impressed I am with this. Oh Lord, it's got a little bit of an edge right there. Chinese need to figure out how to run their CNC machines. You know, but hey, we're gonna try it out, see what we think. This is not, we're not gonna put this on the stealth, so I'll go ahead and put this in, you know, I'll have this in the video that you're currently watching, but you'll know when it's on something because you'll see it. But I want to go ahead and open the box rather than just keep waiting. So here it is. Boom. All right. Moving on. Buenos dias, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got here? Well, we've got what we hope is our intake for the 86. Got it yesterday. Opening it up. Oh, see what kind of deals we got on food. Lunch meat, 2 for $5. BOGO. You know we that's Publix, a big thing. They got BOGO, buy one get one. The other day, Teresa got something I think at Target, and it was buy 2 get 1, and I said that's not BOGO, that's so-so. That's a little grocery joke for you. All right. Huh. I know you guys are probably like, what is it? What is it? What it is it's going to make a mess throughout the yard. Oh, wow. What we have here, gentlemen. Oh, gosh. You can see this going everywhere. What we have here, gentlemen, is a Torker 289. Allegedly, this thing has had some port work, and they have done some stuff. They have done some work in it. We'll put it on at some point and see how it runs. And if it doesn't run the way we want, then we'll put the stealth back on. But I'm hoping that it works, because I really like these intakes. I think they look really cool. We've also got some carb studs to go with our spacer that you saw earlier. So this is This is going to be our deal. It's going to be our deal right here. That's pretty cool. I mean, it looks kind of cool, but it doesn't matter how it looks, really. It matters how it runs. So we're hoping that it runs pretty good. I'll take you off the stand and show you a little bit of the intake. So we'll see what we got. All right, it's probably hard to see, but they've done a little work, not a ton, mostly just run work, and then looks like they've worked up here in the plenum some. The big work is down here, because these have been worked on some. That is the only reason that I bought this, is because it had been ported technically, and yeah, they've worked in here some. It's technically been ported, and otherwise, man, look at how narrow this is back here in 8. Anyway, it's an old school cocked plenum intake. I really like these, and look, they even milled off the Torker 289 stuff, the Edelbrock stuff. They're trying to be sneaky. It's been worked a little bit. Like I say, we'll see how it all plays out. Like I say, we can always take it back off, put the stealth back on, but I'd really like to run this if it'll work. So that's what we got. That's our future intake for the 86. Not exactly sure when we'll put it on. I really need to kind of do this as a one mod type deal. So I don't know. Not sure when we'll get it on, but we'll try and get it all figured out. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next clip or whatever.